Hey there DIYers. So today I'm going to do a review of two different work gloves, leather work gloves. So let's get right into it. Alright, so as I said, we're going to review a couple of leather work gloves, and I'm always out working in the yard and around the house and stuff, and I'm always needing to protect my hands, and of course leather gloves always seem to be better than the nylon or whatever other materials there are out there. And the brand I'd seem to keep going back to just because I like the way they fit. They just in the process of when you're working with stuff, the ability to be able to grab and just still use your hands as the hands that God intended for them to be. I found that I'm going to these. This is my default. These Ranch Works ironclad gloves, and they are goat skin, and they have like rubber backed for your knuckles, so if you don't have to worry about banging them up, and it's got extra protection on the tips there. It's got that, and of course it's got, I don't know what this material is. It's maybe, I don't know, I want to say some type of Kevlar, but the palms are all nice and like, I think there's some triple stitching in there. Most of it's double stitching, but the palms are nice. But when you put these on, I think these are mediums here. But as you can see, they fit on there. They fit really well, and to close up around the wrist, it's got just a little hook and latch, so you can Velcro, whatever you want to call it, there. So it keeps that on there. I think I really don't even pay attention to that when I put them on. I just like that they slip on nice, and they work well. And again, they're very flexible, give me the ability to pretty much grab onto anything. And I tell you, it's like anything I'm doing yard work, when I'm on the mower, I'm wearing these. Any power tools, I've got these. Working with hammer, screwdriver, my impact wrench, anything. They work well. Like with my chainsaw, anything. They do great, and pretty much these last me a season. So probably I go through these at least once a year, and just to give you a comparison, here is one of the pairs that I had been using, and you can see they're very well used. And again, you can see where they start failing. They start getting holes in them, usually right along the stitching, but the stitching itself stays, but it's right next to the stitching is where it fatigues and breaks down. But overall, you can see the glove is very broke in, very flexible. I've even washed these. I put them in the wash, and they come out pretty decent. Never had any really problems with them. Again, you can see where they start to break down. But again, this is a good years. These are at least a year old. I've got a couple of these laying around. I generally have a couple pair of gloves in the different locations where I work, so it's like I never have one particular spot where I put my gloves. So I have gloves, like I think I probably got a pair in my truck, and I've got a couple different sheds. So usually if I open up one of the sheds, I'll be able to find a pair. But I just went ahead because this pair, as well as my other pair, started getting some holes in them. I'm like, well, it's time to get a new pair of gloves. So again, I got these, and so these ought to last me all year. Especially since I also bought some other gloves. I was on Temu, just I occasionally buy some stuff from there as well. First, I guess back to these. I got these off of Amazon. I'll put a link below for these. They're I don't know, usually around 30 bucks for a pair. And tell you, for a pair of gloves to last you a whole year for 30 bucks, I see that as money well spent. So then I was on Temu, and they had some other gloves on there. their designs are never like as I don't know, stylish or whatever you want to say compared to the things you find here in the US, but China's doing their best, I suppose. But they had some gloves on there, and it's the HCLGTW. I don't know, China always comes up with these weird names or whatever you want to call it for their products. But so these are a little different. So rather than these being goat skin, these are deer skin, and the leather itself it's a much plusher. It's way softer, more pliable, and so I don't know how these are going to do. It's possible that it might tear easier than the goat skin, but it is real soft and it feels pretty comfortable. It's got a different type of wrist binding there. It's a longer strap that's got the hook and latch, or Velcro, whatever you want to call it. I guess Velcro is the name brand, and hook and latch is just the generic name for what the actual product is. But so I go on. They're pretty well form fitted too, and it feels pretty comfortable. Every finger, they fit nice and snug, and each finger has, it's kind of it feels rubbery but textured, and it feels like a very grippy. And they've got the same thing on the palm, and so it's with this type of deer leather, it feels it's a little more padded, a little thicker than the goat skin. But I wonder which one, I don't know. It'll be interesting to see how well these hold up. But then for the backside, it's actually, it's almost like it's layered. It's thick. It's got a little bit of padding in there, but even for the knuckles there, it's got some padding there, so you don't have to worry about, you know, banging your knuckles and getting them bruised up real easy. So it's got some padding in there, and you can see the way it's made. It's so it'll flex. But overall, these things fit well. And so the thing about this, reason why I even bought them, is because they construction wise, they look fairly similar to these Ranch Works gloves. And so I thought, well, you know what, overall it looks like they are gonna do, maybe these will work. But I guess the benefit of these is that I got a 2-pack, and I think it was actually cheaper than the pair of those Ranch Works. And so again, I got these on Temu, and I'll put a link below for these too, so you can see. But I think these are mediums as well. But I'll have to put these to use and see how well they actually hold up, and I'll probably make another video, a follow-up video, as to the durability, because again, you can see 1 year's worth of these, how these really take a punishment. But anyway, I just thought I'd jump on here and show you these and tell you what I thought about them. But I think stitching and everything looks pretty good, so we'll see. But yeah, anyway, there's those. Anyway, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, hit the bell for upcoming notifications, and until next time,